Hello, my name is Tracy Weaver. I'm a student here at VHCC's Practical Nursing Program. So I had thought about nursing in general, but I wanted to raise my family first. So my kids are almost grown, and I decided to enter the Practical Nursing Program because it's just a year in length. And so it's a short time through the course, and I figure that if it's something I want to pursue more, I can always do the bridge program later on. So I think the classroom environment is really great. It's interesting. We learn a lot. We cover more than I ever dreamed that we would cover in this program. My instructor is the type of instructor that really wants to help us succeed, so she's always offering us opportunities to practice outside of class if we need to practice more. So another thing about the nursing program is the sim lab here. It's where we come and we get to work on real life mannequins that are very lifelike. And one great thing about that part of our experience here is that the instructors in the sim lab are really great about letting us come after our sim class. We can practice if we need more practice, so that's something that's been really helpful. What my graduation means to me is just a huge accomplishment, because 10 years ago I was going through a dark time in my life and was hospitalized, and since then I've had this thought that I would like to maybe work in the mental health field one day. So now fast forward 10 years, and to be able to be here, it's just like a really amazing experience, and I'm just really excited to have gotten past that and to be where I'm at today.